Okay, it's Dusty's son's birthday today, and one of the gifts he got for his birthday is a whoopee cushion. So now we're going to go into Kohl's here and make videos of us using the whoopee cushion in front of them to prank them like they farted, because, you know, that's hilarious. So let's go see how that goes. We are pranking people in public. Let's do it. Okay, Jasmine, tell us what we're doing.
Going in there?
To do what? Are we gonna prank people?
Yeah, with that whoopee cushion with this. Yeah.
Alright, let's go into Kohl's and we're gonna do some pranks. Backflip. Sorry.
Here, I'll do a real one.
We're just doing makeup.
It's like same old lady.
I don't know. Old people look like old people to me.
Oh, that is the same old lady.
Even if it is. Maybe she can hear.
It's so loud, bro. So loud. Talon pooped his pants.
We have to go get some more underwear for him.
Did she say I'm sorry?
I said I'm sorry.
Can't you hold that in? Not that kid.
It's not done yet. Okay. I think I sharded myself.
They laughed.
I need to get my change of underwear.
Do we gotta change your pants now?
Right? Very soft.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah.
That's why I thought.
Let's go. I can't help myself anymore. Dad, you can't shut yourself in public again. Dad. Dad, oh my gosh, Dad. Dad. Try to control yourself. My butt. Oh, I shorted myself. You already did that, lady. Dad, I think I have the exact same thing. Oh, I have a really sick stomach right now. Like, actually.
Do you?
Yeah.
The food's not sitting good?
Yeah, it's definitely not. I feel like I'm gonna blow up or something.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that sounds juicy.
Are you okay? It smells good, actually. Oh, I love it.
Oh.
So we didn't get that many reactions with Kohl's, so now we're coming to Target to try doing Target. So yeah, see how this goes. Kohl's was way too quiet and there wasn't too many people in that store, so it was the repercussions way too loud for Kohl's. So now we're gonna try a louder, more busy store to try and get more people to see. Yeah, hopefully we can get some good footage this time. It's really hard to record strangers in public because it's like really awkward, but we're trying. Mic drop. Oh my gosh.
Subscribe.
It was so close. It didn't look.
That's probably pretty good. No, more. Come on.
No, you don't have to go super high.
Should I test it?